This is your class live recording for your project on abstracts. You will either be writing an abstract about the Garden of Forking Paths or about there is a man in the habit of hitting me on the head with an umbrella. Double check your lesson or your project assignment so you know which story you'll be writing about. A lot of you are probably not super familiar with abstracts, so I want to start with going over what an abstract is. An abstract is a self-contained, short, and powerful statement that describes a larger work. It's not a summary, it's not a review, and it doesn't evaluate the work that you're writing about. It will talk about the key words that are found in the larger work, and it's not an excerpted passage, so I won't be expecting to see quotes here, but rather a brief statement about what this story is about. You'll be writing a descriptive abstract. It indicates the type of information that can be found in the work, so you're not going to make judgments about it, but you'll talk about key words and terms that are pertinent to understanding the writing that you're going to be abstracting. For both of these stories, you might discuss magical realism, metaphor, deeper meaning, symbolism, and that sort of thing. You will discuss the purpose of the work, and it's somewhat effective to consider this an outline and not necessarily a summary. This is going to be pretty short. It'll only be about a paragraph, and it's a pretty straightforward paragraph. You'll want to start with what is the importance of the work? Why is it relevant to understanding magical realism? What is the conflict of the story? What terms and vocabulary are used? Again, this is where magical realism and that sort of thing will come into play. And what is the conclusion? What can be inferred? What is the lesson learned? What themes are present and that sort of thing? You will need to include a full text citation preceding your abstract. If you need help on how to do that, there is a Purdue OWL site that is fabulous. If not, I can help you more with that. Identifying keywords and phrases, being clear, concise. So when you're abstracting someone else's writing, which is what we will be doing, identify the key terms, highlight key phrases and sentences, and explain why they're powerful and important. Don't be afraid to have just a paragraph for your abstract, and then talk about what are the main concepts of the story, what are the themes present in the story, the final conclusion, and key words. So when you're finished, your abstract will look something like this. And that's what I'm expecting from you. I know abstracts are new, so don't be afraid to look at other examples that you might find on the web. Don't be afraid to search out other explanations that might help you outline and write your abstract. But if you do have any other questions or concerns, please let me know.